Hello everyone, today we will be making a quick metric imperial converter. So first, we're going to ask a user if they want to convert meters to feet or feet to meters. So N is going to become input, and then inside the input, this is the tip for what to input. Now we're going to move on to the conditionals. So if N is 1, then meters is going to become input, and then inside the hint is enter the value in meters. Now we need the input to be in number form, but we can't use int because int is for non-decimal numbers only. So we're going to have to use float. Float is like int but for decimal numbers. So now meters is a decimal number. So now we're going to make feet equals meters times 3.28084. So now we can print feet. Now we write for what happens when n is 2. So elif n equals 2. So now feet will become float input, then meters will become feet times 0.3048, and then we can just print meters. And then else print invalid choice. This is for when the user inputs something else other than 1 or 2. So now let's run it. So let's first write 1 and then 2. So just print 6.56168. Now let's try the feet to meter conversion. So we input 2 and then write 4. It'll give us 1.2192. This is all for today. See you next time.